Hi, I'm Saurav Moitra. I'm part of the wealth and asset management sector at EY. I'm a managing director and lead the architecture and engineering competency.
Hi, I'm Catherine Burnside. I'm a director in our UK technology consulting business within wealth and asset management in EY. The evolving client demands is an obvious one. Equally alongside that, the need for increased resilience, but also scalability and efficiency. And so many of our asset managers and wealth managers really are urgently in the peak of change. They really need to transform. And so some of the key things they need to do and think about is, firstly, how they're going to implement. They need to look at the approaches they adopt, whether that's agile and more innovative ways of working with each other. They need to think about the messaging that they deliver from the top and think about that consistency of design and direction.
The first step is for alignment of the teams and executive sponsorship from the top, where a certain set of mandates are defined for the teams. Taking a value-driven approach, which defines measurable goals for various business capabilities, is going to be an important aspect of this as the organizations think and articulate their future vision. In most instances, what we've seen is taking a customer-centric approach to transformation is a good starting point. Defining personas, doing customer journeys, conducting user research to help benchmark, and gathering constant user feedback are a good way to do it. There are methodologies like design thinking and service design, which allows you to go front to back to look at your overall organization and remove inefficiencies.
Many of our clients are looking at a single integrated solution where possible, an end-to-end platform. Ultimately, that is a platform that provides access to multiple capability products under a single common user experience or GUI. You've got to build something that's modern, that's open, extensible, really that ultimately allows you to rapidly reconfigure and integrate into new technologies, that's built upon something that's scalable in terms of infrastructure, so cloud, increasingly being the option that we need to adopt here. And I think ultimately it's about combination of that platform element, which really is the most powerful. And then thinking about the other component, it's really about a strong foundation of data. We need a single source of truth. We need to be operating where you have a consolidated data store, single business taxonomy, and indeed you're able to then do more with that data. You're able to leverage that when it comes to artificial intelligence, machine learning, optical character recognition, really use those to drive out far more analytics to offer significant benefit and indeed much better penetration of your clients and customer base.
A lot of organizations have adopted agile processes, starting from continuous integration to continuous testing to even agile operations, right? Now, engineering teams definitely have to think about how do they upskill themselves to function more effectively. The engineering organizations have to consider in terms of how do they change from a traditional mindset of time, scope, and money of executing programs and projects to benchmark themselves against speed, quality, and value, and become a more matrix-driven organization. And the most important aspect is how are you agile in terms of decision making, like how quickly and rapidly you can make a decision and move forward. So it's not about just doing agile. It's also about being agile in your decision making and your processes. That helps you to ensure you're able to sustain the pace of transformation.